Honestly, it really only, it doesn't take as much time as people think. Just adding 5 minutes at the beginning or end of an appointment um, to take those pictures is helpful to me. My clients usually like it. They usually are excited to be on my page, and um, it doesn't take too much time. It's totally worth the time that it takes. They love it. I think they feel kind of silly at first, and then as soon as they're done, I show them the video in slow motion, and they get really, really excited. And I also think it helps them see themselves and their hair in a way that they wouldn't usually be able to. So they love it, and then usually they're on Instagram the next day waiting to see that video up there. Yeah, I would say all the social media is really made to connect us. Yes, it can be used as, a portfolio, a digital portfolio, but I would say like the number one thing to do is start interacting with your clients online. Ask them to add you, tag them in your photos, ask them to send you cool hair pictures that they find on there, and just really start engaging and interacting with people online. People, again, they love seeing themselves on other people's pages. They love um, being able to reach their stylist once in a while through Instagram. So I would say just get on there and start adding people. Add your friends, add other stylists, stylists you love to watch, and start engaging with them.